and for today's video I'm here with Melody, and hopefully you can't hear my neighbors mowing their lawn outside, but for today's video Melody and I are going to be showing you how to make a dress inspired by the one Meghan Markle wore for the recent royal wedding that happened between her and Prince Harry. And this dress is so pretty. I loved it. I think I took a few artistic liberties in making my dress because I made it fit a little bit better than hers, because hers didn't really hug her body as much as I would have liked it to. But either way, it was really pretty. Givenchy did such a good job of making the dress. So today I'm going to show you how to make your own for your American Girl doll. And what's great about this tutorial is that it does include a free pattern, and also the skirt on mine isn't long enough, so we're just not going to talk about that. Also, before, this is a funny story, but basically when I was filming this last night, I decided to take a break from filming and editing, so I went on YouTube, looked at my sub box, and I saw my Froggy Stuff literally just did a Meghan Markle doll DIY. So I just want to say that I'm not trying to copy my Froggy Stuff. I did have this idea. If you guys are following me on Instagram, I was toying around with an idea of doing a Meghan Markle dress since maybe about like Tuesday, I think. So yeah, I'm not trying to copy my Froggy Stuff. This is definitely the dollar store version of that video. If you want to see a high quality video, go watch it. Oh my gosh, I love my Froggy Stuff so much. Her video was insane. She did such a good job of recreating Meghan Markle's dress and like making a doll into her. I thought it was so cool. But yeah, I just wanted to say that before we get started with this tutorial. So now enjoy the dollar store version of my Froggy Stuff video. So to create this dress, I'm using again the free pattern that is linked for you in the description box down below. And for fabric, I'm using an old athletic t-shirt. So if you're going to do this project, I recommend that you choose a fabric that doesn't fray much and has a little bit of stretch. So first thing you want to do is face the sleeve right sides together with the bodice and sew the shoulder seam. Attach both sleeves to the front of the shirt. And then hem both sleeves in any way that you like. I chose to do a facing so that no stitching is visible. And then attach the sleeve to the back bodice piece. Fold the sleeve down and sew the side seam. Then hem the top of the bodice. Cut the back of the bodice in half to split it open. You can also do this before sewing the bodice to the sleeves, except you just cut it at first and attach the back two pieces to either shoulder seam as if you were making a t-shirt. For the skirt, cut one piece on fold and then 4 singular pieces. Sew them together with the folded piece in the middle and the panels on the side, so you should have 2 panels on either side of the middle piece. Line up the top of the skirt with the bottom of the bodice and sew them together. Fold the dress in half and sew the back seam. Add Velcro to the back and then you're done. So you'll probably also notice I didn't hem the bottom of my dress, and number one, that's because I didn't really need to because the fabric I used didn't fray much, and also I cut it to be too short. So if you're gonna do this, make it a bit longer than you think you might need. So in case you unevenly sew the skirt, then you can do a nice hem at the bottom. For the veil of the dress, I just took some tulle and I sewed it into a little casing at the top of it, and then I strung that through a piece of jewelry wire that I shaped into a headband, and then I sewed a little bit of lace onto the bottom and did a hem on either side. And admittedly, this is not the best thing that I've ever made. It was kind of thrown together a little bit last minute because I didn't really want to put too much effort into it because I'm probably never gonna use this project ever again, but I decided that I really wanted to make something cute for like taking thumbnail pictures, so this is like the best thing that I came up with in a short little amount of time, and that's super simple and easy to do. And if you don't want to keep it around and you want to reuse the tool for something later, then it's perfect for just ripping apart. Anyways guys, that is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss videos like this and other American Girl doll sewing videos, outfit videos, hairstyle videos, and more. And yeah, I hope you guys are having a great day. I hope you have a great weekend. I appreciate each and every single one of you for watching this video, and I will see you next time for another one. Bye!